Hazrat Abu Sariha Huzaifa bin Usaid radiyallahu anhu states that the Prophet ﷺ was in the attic and we were sitting downstairs. He ﷺ looked at us and asked, "What are you talking about?" We submit about the hour. He ﷺ said, "The hour will not occur until 10 signs appearing, are thinking in the east, are thinking in the west, and are thinking in the Arabian Peninsula. The smoke, the Antichrist, the beast of the earth, Gog and Magog, rising of the sun in its place of setting, a fire which will issue from Adan, and it will drive the people away." Shoba said with another authority, a hadith similar to it has been reported from Abu Sariha. It does not mention the Prophet ﷺ. A reporter mentioned the descent of Hazrat Isa, the son of Mary ﷺ, as the 10th sign. Another reporter said, "A gale will broke which will cast the people into the ocean." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7215.